What is happening, everybody? In today's video, we're going to do a quick and easy mod on the car. I first want to give a huge thanks to a fellow viewer, subscriber, and actually one of my best friends for getting me this mod. I will show you what it is in just a moment, but he got it for me for Christmas. And Brandon, I know you're watching. Thank you so much for this modification. I'm going to be installing it today. So without further ado, this is the modification. So just a closer look, this is the ghost shadow light for a Mercedes-Benz. Now, looking at the box, you can't really tell what this is. It's supposed to light a Mercedes emblem on the floor, so hopefully it's not Mandarin Chinese. We'll see if that's what it actually is. But it's supposed to be a Mercedes logo on the bottom, on the floor when you open the door. So without further ado, let's get started. The only thing you really need for this installation is a flathead screwdriver, and that's pretty much it. So if I can do this and I can install it, a monkey can do it. So I hope to bring you some content on how to install this light. All right, so to show you where it actually is going to be lighting, it's this light right here. It's actually going to shine down, and on the floor you're going to see a Mercedes logo or Mandarin Chinese, depending on what we have in the box. But so you open up the box, pretty easy. There's not much in here aside from just this bag. This is what it looks like. So this should fit right in here and shine the light down. So let's get started. First thing you'll want to do is just use this flathead to pry this out. As such, there you go. Then you're going to want to pull this part out. Like so. And throw this light in here. Easy as that. You can't really tell on the ground, but there is a Mercedes logo right there, not Mandarin Chinese, which is very nice. We're gonna just make sure everything is in tight, and we're gonna do it on the other side as well. Now this other side is gonna be exactly the same. I'm gonna use a flathead to pull this out and install the other one. So let's get started with that. That side was a lot more difficult, but let's pull this out. It's pretty cool. Now, as you can see, that looks pretty cool even during the day, but let's flash to what it looks like at night right now. And this is what it looks like at night. So as you saw it right there in the night video, it actually looks pretty awesome. Like, it looks a lot cooler than I thought it would. And that's pretty much all I had for you today for today's video. Just a nice, quick, easy, and not very expensive mod that you can do on your Mercedes. Doesn't have to be a C-Class, it can be any. They have a lot of different options online. But overall, I really like it. And it was really easy to install, except that one passenger door. But without further ado, I want to give a huge shout out again to one of my best friends, Brandon, my viewer, my subscriber. Thank you so much for getting me this gift for Christmas. It turned out awesome. I appreciate the love and support. And I want to thank you guys for watching, clicking like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. There's going to be future content coming. But for that, I want to say thank you and catch me on Instagram at @Shwazy_. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.